BCom, BBA, BCA, BSc third semester open elective subject. NEP solved question paper 2024 February, March. Economics, Rural Economics. Part A. Answer any 10 of the following in 2 to 3 sentences each. Each question carries 2 marks. 10x2 equals 20. 1. Define rural economy. It is defined as the study of rural economics, including farm and non-farm industry, economic growth, development, and change size and spatial distribution of production. 2. What is poverty? Poverty is defined as a state or circumstance in which an individual or a group lacks the financial and necessities for a basic level of living. Or, it can also be defined as a situation in which one's earnings from work are insufficient to meet fundamental human requirements. 3. What is microfinance? Microfinance is a system of providing small-scale financial services, including loans, savings, insurance, and credit, to individuals or groups with low incomes who lack access to traditional banking services. In India, the loans below 1 lakh can be considered to be microloans. 4. Give the meaning of rural market. Rural markets refer to the markets located in villages and small towns, where goods and services are bought and sold. They usually direct sales of small quantities of produce by village traders to rural consumers. Rural primary market often form part of a network arranged on a periodic basis, such as on a specific day of each week. 5. Expand IRDP. IRDP Integrated Rural Development Program. 6. Give the meaning of rural sanitation. Rural sanitation generally refers to the provision of facilities and services for the safety disposal of human urine and feces. The word sanitation also refers to the maintenance of hygienic conditions through services such as garbage collection and wastewater disposal. 7. Expand NABARD. NABARD, National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. 8. What is unemployment? Unemployment refers to a situation where individuals who are capable of working, actively seeking work, and willing to work at the prevailing wage rate cannot find employment. It indicates the underutilization of a country's workforce. 9. What is non-governmental organizations, NGOs? Non-government organizations, NGOs, are the organization which is concerned with handling different types of activities which aims for the benefit of society at large, especially the underprivileged people. 10. What is Kisan Credit Card? The Kisan Credit Card, KCC, is a financial scheme introduced by the Government of India to provide farmers with easy access to short-term credit for agricultural needs. It allows farmers to borrow funds at low interest rates for purchasing seeds, fertilizer, equipment, and other farming expenses. 11. Expand MSMEs. MSMEs micro, small and medium enterprises. 12. Give the meaning of Gandhian model. Gandhian model of the community development approach is a sustainable development model for government in the central, provincial and local levels of democratic federal countries. Part B. Answer any 4 of the following in 15 to 20 sentences each. Each question carries 5 marks. 4x5 equals 20. 13. Explain the problems of MSMEs. Inadequate market linkages, lack of infrastructure, inadequate finance, lack of managerial competence, obsolete technology. 14. Explain the objectives of rural economy. Education, women empowerment, public health and sanitation, infrastructure development, employment opportunities, to improve increased and quick employment possibilities, to improve productivity and wages of rural people. 15. Describe the causes of rural unemployment. Lack of skill development and employment generation. Lack of industrialization. Seasonal nature of agriculture. Lack of subsidiary occupation. Defective system of education, due to using of capital-intensive technology. 16. Explain the defect of rural markets. Standard of living. Low literacy levels. Low per capita income. Transportation and warehousing. Seasonal demand, distribution problem, inadequate banking and credit facilities. 17. Write a note on Swachh Bharat Mission. The Swachh Bharat Mission, SBM, launched on October 2, 2014, by the Government of India, aims to achieve a clean and open defecation-free ODF, India. Its key focus areas include eliminating open defecation by constructing household and community toilets, promoting solid waste management, including recycling and proper disposal, encouraging behavioral change through public awareness campaigns, involvement of various stakeholders, including urban and rural communities, NGOs, and corporations. Emphasis on creating a clean and sustainable environment for public health improvement. The mission has significantly improved sanitation coverage and contributed to creating a cleaner India. 18. Explain the importance of rural transport. Access to basic services like health and education provides a way for agricultural growth, job opportunities and entrepreneurship. Hence overall economic growth, improves social connectivity, reduction of poverty and inequality. Disaster response and resilience. Part C. Answer any two of the following. Each question carries 10 marks, 2x 10 equals 20. 19. Explain the functions of NABARD. Refinance, short-term loan, long-term loans, special liquidity facility, rural marts, maintains research and development funds, inspects regional rural banks and cooperative societies, facilitating rural infrastructure development, promoting rural non-farm sector, providing microfinance support. 20. Explain the characteristics of rural economy. Village is an institution, dependence on agriculture, life of rural people, population density, employment, poverty, rural income, migration. 21. Explain the causes of rural poverty. Poor education, inequality, conflicts, lack of infrastructure, climatic change, inadequate access to clean water and nutritious food, little or no access to livelihoods or jobs, political factors, other social, economical, technological factors. 22. Explain the programs of rural housing. Rural housing is the flagship program of state government and government commits to provide Pakka houses to all eligible rural households living in the Kucha houses. Rural housing scheme started with the Indira Awas Yojana, IAY, in January 1996. Programs and schemes of rural housing in India. Gram Swaraj Abhiyan, Indira Awas Yojana, IAY. Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Gramin, PMAYG. Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana, PMGSY. Rajiv Awas Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, PMAY. Digital Infrastructure for Knowledge Sharing, Diksha. Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, MGNREGA. Thank you. Subscribe.